Polite expressions in email. The key to professional correspondence. Hello learners, welcome back to our English language series. In today's video, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of email writing, using polite expressions. Remember, the way we express ourselves in an email can significantly impact how our message is received, so it's vital to master the art of polite email communication. Polite expressions are phrases or sentences used to show respect, courtesy, and professionalism in our communication. In the context of email writing, they help in maintaining a positive and respectful tone, fostering better relationships, and conveying your message effectively. Examples of polite expressions include, "Could you please? I would appreciate it if you could. Thank you for your understanding." Understanding when to use polite expressions is as important as knowing what they are. You'll typically use them when making requests, providing feedback, disagreeing with someone, or when you need to deliver potentially sensitive information. Examples include, "Could you please send me the report by Friday? I would appreciate it if you could revise the proposal. Thank you for your understanding regarding this matter." Always remember, the context of your email determines how formal or informal your polite expressions should be. For instance, an email to a colleague might be more informal than an email to your boss or a client. Adjust your tone accordingly, but always maintain a level of politeness. When using polite expressions, always be genuine and specific. Instead of a generic, "Thank you," consider saying, "Thank you for your swift response," or "Thank you for your detailed feedback." This specificity shows the recipient that you value their specific actions and not just sending automated responses. That wraps up our video on using polite expressions in email writing. Remember, polite expressions help set a positive tone, show respect, and can facilitate more effective communication. The key is to be considerate, genuine, and adaptable according to context. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you improve your email communication skills. Happy learning!